My name is Taylor, and I'm one of the medical technicians at the Hair Restoration Institute. And today I'm getting my first hair transplant. We're doing a brand new procedure called the NeoGraft. I went really short on the sides and back of my hair because what's cool about this is there's no scar. There's no scar in the back of your head. We're basically just extracting one hair out at a time from your donor area in the back of your head. So there's no scar. You can wear your hair as short as you want to, and I don't have to shave the top of my head. So this will kind of cover up what I'm doing today. So my hair loss has been frustrating me probably for the last couple years especially. I'm 27 years old, so it really started getting worse when I was around 24, 25. I was really good at hiding and making my hair look as thick as it could possibly be and making it look thicker. And then even on like a day like today where I'm getting my transplant, my hair is clean, there's no product in it, it's a little bit wet. The team and the doctor couldn't even believe how thin my hair actually was because I was doing such a good job of hiding it. But I don't want to do any of that stuff anymore. I just want my own growing permanent hair back. And that's what's cool about a transplant. It's all done in one day. I'm gonna leave today, drive home myself, and then just be patient and the hair will start growing in. So it's pretty cool. Alright, so today's January 9th. I had my hair transplant on November 27th. So it's been approximately 6 weeks since the transplant. It's been going great. The stubbles are already starting to fill in and I can already see a little bit less scalp when I'm styling my hair. So I'm super excited for the final result. I just got my hair cut today and I feel like I have no limitations whatsoever. That's what's awesome about the FUE and the NeoGraft method. It's the state of the art. There's no scarring or really limitations. So 6 weeks out, super excited for another couple months here. It's already filling in, so I can't wait to see what the full result looks like and show you guys all how the after is when it's all finally done.